The Vivo 19 Pro is the follow-up to the popular mid-range V17 Pro that Vivo launched in 2019. The phone sports a 6.5-inch bezel-less Super AMOLED display with a resolution of 1080 by 2340 pixels. Thanks to the Snapdragon 730G chipset under the hood of the V19 Pro, you can expect decent mid-range performance from it. The V19 Pro comes with 8GB RAM and 128GB of onboard storage, but no option to add expandable memory. The camera specs are impressive thanks to the 6.4MP plus 8MP plus 2MP plus 2MP setup on the rear and a pop-up 3.2MP plus 8MP front camera system. Powering the V19 Pro is a 4500 battery that supports fast charging up to 18W. Vivo V19 Pro details 6.5-inch bezel-less display, Gorilla Glass 6. The display on the Vivo V19 Pro is a USP as it is a bezel-less AMOLED panel and has a high pixel density of 396 pixels per inch. The 6.5-inch display offers a resolution of 1080 by 2340 pixels and has an 85% screen-to-body ratio. The screen features Gorilla Glass 6, which means it won't be easy to get a scratch on it. Snapdragon 730G processor, rear quad camera. The Vivo V19 Pro is equipped with the octa-core Snapdragon 730G chipset from Qualcomm, with an Adreno 618 GPU which enhances your gaming experience in terms of graphics quality as well as performance. The phone packs 8GB of RAM with 128GB of internal memory. You also have a micro SD slot in case you need more storage space for your photos, videos, and music. The rear quad camera setup is a combination of a 6.4MP primary camera with an 8MP ultrawide lens, and two 2MP lenses to finish off the array. Like the V17 Pro, you get a twin-cam pop-up mechanism that consists of a 3.2MP primary shooter and an 8MP lens that you can shoot ultrawide shots with. You can shoot 4K videos with the rear camera setup, but the front camera only lets you shoot 1080p videos. Dual-engine fast charging connectivity. The V19 Pro comes with a 4500 mAh battery, which is more than enough to get a day and a half out of with moderate usage. In the box, you also get an 18W dual-engine fast charger, which significantly reduces your charging time in comparison with traditional chargers. Connectivity options include Bluetooth 5.0, Wi-Fi 802.11a, B per gram, N, AC, dual-band Wi-Fi support, and a GPS. The device features a 3.5mm earphone jack and a USB Type-C port for charging and data transfer. Vivo V19 Pro price. Vivo V19 Pro price is expected to be $445.20, 31,990 rupees. Vivo V19 Pro expected to be launched on March 3, 2020. This is 8GB RAM, 128GB internal storage base variant of Vivo V19 Pro, which is expected to available in black, gold color. For more updates, subscribe and share this video.